So this is the part 2 of my Einstein box. So today we will make the monster lamp. So the items we need is glue, then a battery, push pins, LED lights, switch, board and the model. So as last time what we did in the helicopter is that we first made the model and then we made the circuit board and then pasted it. So we'll do the same thing here as well. So the same thing, there are some bends. We'll bend it and stick it with glue. So let's do it. Keep it aside and the glue. So now we will attach this with the battery. Like we'll start with the battery and attach it. This should be opposite and we'll stick it to the Velcro. Now not the same thing will happen with the LED because the double-sided tape is already there. So we'll just pull this. Yeah. So this will be here and we'll stick it on here like this. Now we'll attach the red wires of the battery and the LED lights on this point with the help of the push pins, and then this black wire on here with the push pin, and this normal white wire on this with the push pin, and the switch will be there because we'll attach with it, and because of that we'll complete our circuit. Now we'll stick this circuit board onto here and then attach it with the push pins. There are here some pink dots, so we'll attach it with the help of that. Okay, so this is now done. And I think this will light because the LED was on for a few seconds. So for this to work, I have to switch off the light. So wait for a second. Pause move to. Dark now and it will glow now. You can also use it as a night lamp, but just don't look at this because I think that light is not good for your eyes, but I had fun doing this. So it's kind of looking scary, but it's good. So that's it for today's video. If you did, as always, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button and share this video. Till the time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.